Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning class of Social Science of Standard 7th. Today we're going to continue with chapter number 16, part 2, and the name of the chapter is State Government. Before starting the point, let me tell you this is the picture of union list, concurrent list and state list. So now we're going to learn about them in detail. So let's continue from page number 100. Today we are going to start with the functions of the state government. Now in India, we know there is a federal system of the government. So the work that is divided between the state government and the central government. The jurisdiction, that is the scope of work of the state government, that is limited up to its own area, that is up to its own state, while the jurisdiction of the central government they covers the entire country. So there is an important difference between the central government and state government in terms of their jurisdiction, that is in terms of scope of their work. Now the functions and power, they are assigned to the state and the center, divided into three lists, which are the first one is union list, state list and concurrent list. It means combined list. Now in first list, that is union list, out of the 97 subject that is assigned to the central government, that is census, defense of the country, finance, banking, election, railway, post and telegraph, atomic energy, aviations and national highways, marine services, they all are included in the union list. Means in सबको कौन देखता है? Union list देखिए, that is central government. Second one is state list. Among the 66 subjects assigned to the state government are education, health, agriculture, internal trade, commerce, forest, local self-governing institutes, etc. They all are included in the state list. And concurrent list, it means combined list. That is the 47 subjects for which both the central and state government they frames the law. It has a joint list of the powers such as divorce, education, industries, then employment, electricity and inheritance matters, proceedings of civil and criminal cases, they all are included in the concurrent list. The main function of the state government is in a democracy, that is to do the welfare of the people, that is their main function. The second function is that the state government it performs important functions related to the basic needs of the people, that is they have to provide the facility of electricity, concrete roads, clean drinking water and health and hygiene related works. The third function is they distribute food items through rationing shops, means जहाँ पे सस्ते में उनको फूड आइटम सेल कर सकते हैं. Let's move to page number 101, and their fourth function is that they provide assistance to the people in time of natural calamity like flood, heavy rain, drought, earthquake, hurricanes, etc. The fifth function is they provide the facility for transportation, educational institution, hospitals, justice, etc. And the last function is they play an important role, that is they maintaining peace, law and order in the state. Now we are going to learn about the state judiciary. Now every state in India has a high court. Now the High Court of Gujarat that was established on 1st May 1960 in Ahmedabad. Now the High Court of Gujarat is in Ahmedabad, and the Chief Justice of the High Court, he is appointed by the President on the advice of the Judge of the Supreme Court. Now, what are the functions? The first function is that is to protect and safeguard the rights of the citizen. That every citizen of the country they should get their rights. The second function is redressal of citizens' appeal. If any citizen is appealing in the court for their compensation, they have a right to get that compensation. Now, third function is hearing appeals against the verdict of civil or criminal cases. High Court को क्या करना है? They have to listen the cases of civil and criminal. The fourth function is they are protecting law and order. The fifth function is High Court they act as a precedent court. That is High Court it is a court of records. And their sixth function is that is disposition of, that is finding solution for public interest litigation. Now very important, know this. The first point is that the judges of the High Court, they have to take the oath in the front of the गवर्नर या बिफोर दी गवर्नर. मीन्स जो जजेस होते हैं हाई कोर्ट को, उनको क्या करना है, उनको गवर्नर के सामने कसम खानी है या ओथ लेनी है. सेकेंड इज लॉयर्स, दे यूजुअली मेक आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन द हाई कोर्ट. द अक्यूज्ड एंड द प्लेंटिफ दे आर कॉल्ड ओनली इफ नेसेसरी. मीन्स जो लॉयर्स होते हैं वो ही आर्ग्यू करते हैं, बट जब ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो ही अक्यूज्ड और प्लेंटिफ को कोर्ट में बुलाया जाता है. थर्ड फंक्शन इज ईच डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैज़ अ सेशन कोर्ट. A case of theft, robbery, assault, murder, physical injury or altercation is considered as a criminal dispute. Then the fourth function is dispute over land, building or property. They are considered as a civil disputes. The fifth function is the police registers an FIR, that is first information report, at the police station where the crime is first reported. And the last function is that local adalat, they also function in the state to reduce the burden of the court. The meaning of health. No, wellness is called health. It means you must be physically fit. So that is known as health. Now health, it is a state of complete physical, mental and social, spiritual well-being. Now health is not just the absence of disease or physical weakness. Health is, it is an achievement of physical well-being, that you should be physically healthy. In order to have a good family and social life, it is important for a person to be in a good health first. Now the holistic development of a country, it is only possible with the healthy human resources. Now let's move to page number 102 and let us start public health services. Now public health centers, that is primary health centers and health sub-centers in rural areas, civil hospitals in big cities, different type of vaccination programs for children, cleanliness campaigns, access to pure drinking water, environmental protection program, then family welfare program, they are provided to the citizens of the country through the public health services. Now the control on food adulteration, drug control, protection against a life-threatening disease and preventing measures, increasing people well-being. Now facility of 108, that is ambulance facility, is available for the emergency treatment. Private health services, that is health services, they are provided to the citizens by private clinics, private hospitals, trainees and government registered private doctors. Now there are also large number of private laboratories working to diagnose the disease. मीन्स काफ़ी सारे प्राइवेट laboratories है जिसमें हमको पता पड़ता है कि कौन सी डिजीज़ है. नो स्पेशलाइज्ड प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स आर वर्किंग for the diagnosis and treatment of various diseases to provide health services. Health and state government. Now the state government, they make a special plans and expenditure to provide health services to the citizens of the states. So the following functions they perform by the state government. Functions. So its first function is to distribute the food grains to the poor people through the ration shop. Means कम से कम प्राइस में उनको खाना मिलना चाहिए, फूड आइटम्स, फूड ग्रेन्स मिलना चाहिए टू द पुअर पीपल. द सेकेंड फंक्शन इज वैक्सीनेशन टू कंट्रोल डिजीज लाइक मीजल्स, चिकन पॉक्स, पोलियो एक्सेट्रा. द थर्ड फंक्शन इज लिकर प्रोहिबिशन, मीन्स दारू को बैन करना है, एंड कंट्रोल ऑन फूड एडल्ट्रेशन. देन फोर्थ फंक्शन इज 108 फॉर एमरजेंसी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. Fifth function is cleanliness drive and scheme for management of sanitation should be there. The sixth function is distribution of generic medicines through Jan Aushadhi Kendra at reasonable rate. Seventh function is that is planning of health services to control diseases like malaria, jaundice, leprosy, blindness, diabetes, tuberculosis, cancer, etc. Now the health and government. Now the planning and the management is done by the state government and the central government to maintain the good health of the citizen of the nation. So let us see which are the schemes, health schemes are provided by the state government and central government. So scheme of the state government, first of all, that is first scheme is Mukhyamantri Amrutam Maha Yojana. Second scheme is school health program, Mission Balam Sukham. Then fourth one is Mamta Sakhi Yojana. Fifth one is Janani Mother Suraksha Yojana. Sixth one is Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakaram. Then seventh one is Chiranjeevi Yojana. Eighth one is Bal Sakha Yojana. And ninth one is Khilkilat Drawback Yojana. All these schemes are provided by the state government. And these schemes which are provided by the central government. In that, first one is Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Second one is National Leprosy, that is Hemothesis Eradication Program. Third one is Prime Minister Safe Motherhood Campaigns. Fourth one is Environment Protection Program. Fifth one is National Family Plan. Sixth one is Atal Sneha Yojana. Seventh one is Toilet and Cleanliness Campaigns. And eighth one is Ayushman Bharat Yojana, that is 2018. So all these are the schemes of the central government. Now let's move to page number 103, that is 103. And now we are going to learn about the Khilkilat Drawback Yojana. Now the birth of a child, it is a happy occasion in every family. We know that when a child is born in a family, it is the happiest time for every family. Now the return of the healthy mother and a healthy baby is an occasion of joy for every family. So now a new arrangement, it has been made by the government institution to take the mother and the newborn baby home by this government institution after delivery by खिलखिलाट व्हीकल. इट मीन्स जो न्यू बॉर्न बेबी और जो मदर है उसको कौन लेके जाएगा अपने घर पे, दैट इज खिलखिलाट व्हीकल के थ्रू वो अपने घर पे जाएंगे. नो दिस खिलखिलाट व्हीकल इज अवेलेबल विद सर्टन गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स. Health workers provide these facility services to lactating mothers also. Now after discharge from the hospital, the mother, she is given the health education as well as the counseling for maternal and health of the child. Even inside the vehicle, the message of the child upbringing and vaccination, they are given to the mother and her family members through the videos. Know this, no celebration of various health days, that is 30th January, that is celebrated as a World Leprosy Day. Then 4th February, World Cancer Day. 8th March, International Women's Day. Then 24th March, World Tuberculosis Prevention Day. 7th April, World Health Day. Then 25th April, World Malaria Day. 31st May, World Anti-Tobacco Day. Then 5th June, World Environment Day. Then 14th June, World Blood Donation Day. Then 21st June, International Yoga Day. Then 11th July, that is World Population Day. 1st December, that is World AIDS Day. 3rd December, World Disability Day. Then 10th December, it is World Human Rights Day. Now, Mukhyamantri Amrutam Ma Yojana. Now the family members, those who are living below the poverty line in rural as well as in urban areas of all the districts of Gujarat, and the members of a family whose annual income is 4 lakh or less than that, or maximum 5 persons, they are included. Now there is a prescribed treatment package for heart, brain, kidney, cancer, burns, neonatal disease and serious injuries. Now the beneficiary receives medical treatment at the contracted hospital. Now let's move to page number 104 and know this. Now Ayushman Bharat Yojana, that is 2018 Ayushman Bharat program, that is central government. Now Ayushman Bharat Yojana or Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a health scheme of the government of India, and it is implemented on 1st April 2018 in the whole India. Now the main objective of this scheme, that is to provide health insurance to economically weaker people, that is BPL holders जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं अभी. Now under this scheme, up to 5 lakh cashless health insurance will be made available to every family, that is 10 crore BPL families, that is about 50 crore people, they will be benefited by this scheme. Now the Minister of Health and Family Welfare implements this scheme. Now there are two important things in Ayushman Bharat Yojana. First one is Rashtriya Swasthya Suraksha Yojana and second one is Kalyan Kendra. Know this, Civil Hospital. Now, Ahmedabad Civil Hospital is the largest hospital in Asia. Now, this hospital was established in 1841. The hospital has the excellent facilities for the treatment of heart, kidney, cancer and other serious diseases. So with this we have completed our topic. I hope each and everything is very clear to you. In the next session we will continue with our new topic. Thank you.